So, you want to pair your shiny new AirPods with your iPhone or iPad? Well, you've come to the right place. I'll have my human show you how. But first, if you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe and the bell notification.
Thanks, Kitty. I'll take it from here.
The first thing we do is open the top of the charging case. We should see a green indicator light at the front which shows a full charge. Now if we turn the case over, there is a small button there. We just need to press that with our finger, and then with the top of the case open, the green status light should change firstly to a solid white light, and then the white light will start flashing. This indicates the case and AirPods are ready for syncing with an iOS device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iOS device. If we now put the AirPods case near the iOS device, the synchronization window should open up. So press the connect button. We can skip Siri for now, choose not now, and we're done. So just press the done button. We can confirm the syncing has taken place successfully by going into the Bluetooth settings. So long as we see AirPods listed under My Devices and the status showing as connected, we're all good.
I hope you found that video useful. Please like and subscribe. So, select the notification bell as well. That way you'll know when we get our next video up.